everyone, Assalamualaikum. I am Abdullah Patwari. My ID is 651. Now I will discuss. Our topic is random variable. Now I will discuss random variable. And my group member is this definition. Random variable is a set of possible value from a random experiment. A random variable is given a capital letter such as X and Z, and random variables can be discrete and continuous. Type of random variables. Two types of random variables are given. One is discrete variable and another is continuous variable. What is discrete variable? A discrete variable is a variable whose value is obtained by counting. Example: number of students in a class and number of red marbles in a jar. Another variable is continuous variable. Continuous variable is a variable whose value is obtained by measuring. Example: height in class, height of students in class. Example: Reza. And weight of students in class. And thanks, and I will invite my next group member, Walid Atin, to describe how this works. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Nazmul. Myself, Mahmoud Ali. My ID is 1423576. And first, I exclusively thanks my honorable teacher for take our presentation. My topic is example of random variable and difference between random variable and variable. At first, I describe example of random variable. Such as when we toss a coin, we get two outcomes, only one head or tails. When we get, if we get value head equal to 0 and tail equal to 1, the random variable we indicate x. In graph slide, we indicate random variable x and favorable outcome of head and tail is 0 and 1. Such as the random variable set x equal to 1 head equal to if head equal to null if head equal to 0 and tail equal to 1. Suppose we toss one coin and only by 1. If we choose 100 toss and we choose 75 head and 35 or 25 tails, it is our own choice. And the difference between variable and random variable. We know variable is measurable characteristics of vary, and random variable is very possible. And random variable is a vary of possible of associate of variable. In algebra, x is unknown variable. When we calculate unknown variable x plus something or x square plus something, it is solved is x equal to something in short time and direct. In random variable, when we describe random variable, x is many variable, such as when we calculate x plus 4, random variable is 1, 2, 3, 4. If we randomly select, what is the favorable outcome is unmatched 4, 0, and what is the more favorable match is 4. It is randomly 4 by 4 is 1. It is also how we describe in many areas. Thank you everyone, and I invite my next group member, Khalid Saifullah Naik.
My respected and honorable teacher and my dear friend, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khalid Saifullah Naik and my ID is 1740. Thanks to my previous group member. Now I am describe the probability and distribution. First I describe probability. Probability means how likely something is to happen. When a coin is tossed, there are two possible outcomes, head or tail. We say that the probability of coin landing in head is half and the probability of coin landing tail is half. I am tell the probability distribution. Probability distribution means the distribution of a random variable. Now I am describe the example of probability distribution. The example is suppose for toss 3 coins. Here x the number of the heads is the random variable. In this case, if all the coins land tails up, there could be 0 heads, 1 heads, 2 heads, or 3 heads. So the simple space is 0, 1, 2, 3. But the 3 coins are land in 8 possible ways. Here the 8 possible ways. Looking at the table, we get that there the 1 case of 3 heads, 3 case of 2 heads, 3 case of 1 head, and 1 case of 0 head. So the probability of when the 3 heads of x, the probability of 1 by 8, and the when x is equal to 2, the probability 3 by 8, when x is equal to 1, 3 by 8, and probability of when x is equal to 0, the probability is 1 by 8. Now I invite my next group member to discuss the other slide of this presentation.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahdi Muhammad and my ID 174. Set theory. Definition. A set can be defined as a collection of things that are brought together because they obey certain rule. It is denoted by capital letters such as A, B, X, Y, etc. Example, these are the examples. Elements of set. A thing that belongs to a given set is called element of the set. Example, Henry VIII is an element of the set of kings of England. Thank you. The rest of slides covered by our next member.
Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Shikab Abdullah and my ID is 751. Well, my previous group member already told you about the set theory. The thing is, set is the collection of anything you can say. If you consider A is a set of color yellow and B is the set of color pink, and universal set is Q. That means universal set is also a set itself, and A and B contains belongs to universal set. Here you can see the intersection. Intersection means the element that is belongs to the both set A and B. You can see the orange. This orange part is the intersection part A and B. And here you can see another example for union set. Union set, that means the element will be from both of the set, yellow and pink. Both of the color will be the element of A and B. And this is the example for subset. The subset, that means the elements will be from both sets. All the elements of set A and all the elements of set B will be same. There's something like that.
Any question, please? Please, any question?
What do you think the explanation of subset is right or wrong?
A little bit wrong.
Why is wrong?
I was confused, I was excited, and I was confused.
Okay, explain it again.
Okay, subset, this means we can say A is the subset of B when all the elements of set A will be from the set of B.
Right. This is the right explanation.
Okay.
That was wrong. Okay.
Any question?
Thank you.
Please explain roster method.
Okay, suppose if we consider the colors in X, then we can write it like U is equal X, so that X belongs from the colors like yellow or red. If you consider the colors in a variable X, then you can write U is equal all the colors X. Sorry, U is equal X. X so that X belongs to the all colors. Actually, roster is the form of for writing. Right?
Real life set of 4 variable and random variable.
Oh, yes, sure. If our Bangladesh team, cricket team, have 5 bowlers, 2 are left-hand bowlers and 3 are right-hand bowlers. If we randomly select left-hand bowlers, it is possible outcome is 2 by 5. And if we randomly selected left-hand, right-hand bowler, it is possible outcome 3 by 5. Yes.
What is subset? I already told. I told explain it 2 times. In the book? Subset, we can tell A is the subset of B when all the elements of A will from the set of B.
What if it's equal?
Sir?
What if it's equal?
Equal set.
Equal set.
Both elements are equal, so the both are
Equal
equal.
set and A equal B.
Equal, right?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.